Hey, what's up you guys? This is Junior Trader and in this video we are taking a look at Tesla stock and is this rebound a good buy on Tesla stock here? We'll take a look at all of that from the lens of technicals. I also want to take you over some of the articles out there, some price targets that, because Tesla is moving quite a lot, so many analysts are adjusting their price targets. I do want to emphasize though before talking about even the price targets, what analysts are saying. I am not a big fan of price targets because I trade with the technicals, so those price target doesn't matter to me. But I just want to show you what the picture is out there. Okay, so just take that as a grain of salt, just my opinion though, okay? Now, with that, before going further, I also want to let you know none of this is any financial advice and is only for education purposes, just sharing my opinion. Please do your own thing. So, before we get into the technicals, and is this one of the best time to buy Tesla? As you would have seen my video yesterday, if you did on my public channel, there are some areas that I mentioned. We'll get to those in just a second as if it's a great time to load up more. What is the price action doing? How good is this rebound? And all that stuff. But before that, I just want to take you over some articles just to a little bit get you going on setting the stage here. So Tesla's board must rein in Elon Musk's political activities, Wedbush says. Now, Wedbush is one of the biggest bull on Tesla, and Tesla board needs to act now and set rules for Chief Executive Elon Musk's political ambitions and actions, Wedbush said in a note to investors on Tuesday. Musk's launch of American Party is a tipping point and must prompt action by the board restricting Musk's political projects lest they damage Tesla's prospects. Tesla is heading into one of the most important stages of its growth cycle with autonomous and robotics future now on the doorstep and cannot have Musk spending more and more time creating a political party which will require countless time, energy and political capital. And I agree to that point if Elon wants to be a face of Tesla as well, and with this tipping point where we just getting into autonomous, and I always said that if you believe in robotaxi, you have to start seeing Tesla more than just a car selling company at this point. And it's a tipping point because hey, it's got to scale, it's got to expand, and also you don't want to ruffle feathers with the administration, especially because they will be approving your permits to function, robotaxi in many jurisdictions. So the note said Tesla needs to retain Musk for at least 5 more years given his role in autonomous mobility and robotics, while maintaining control over his actions. That's a tough thing to do on Musk. It suggests that the board devise a new incentive driven pay package for Musk that increases his ownership stake. Now, it's a double edged sword, in my opinion, because if it increases his stake in a way that board has no control over him, then, well, there is no way of grounding him, or not grounding him, but anchoring him around just Tesla. Specifying the amount of time Musk needs to spend on the company affairs and creating a committee overseeing Musk's political forays. Well, good luck with that. All right. Wedbush maintained 500 price target for the company, and that's pretty much what I want to mention. That yeah, Wedbush maintained $500 price target on Tesla. We have Guggenheim 175. They've been always negative. Even price was at almost 500 of Tesla, they were still around price target at 175. It doesn't matter. They already missed so much boat, right? They can always stay negative and price may never go there. Anyways, we'll talk about all of that. And Tesla is maintained outperform by Mizuho, and their price target though they cut it down from 390 to 375. They yeah. Anyways, now the point being now technically, is Tesla this rebound a good time to buy, good place to buy? Well, I already mentioned that, guys. If so, technically, hear my words clearly. I am saying a rebound. Is this a good rebound to buy? So, meaning structure is overall still negative on Tesla stock price right now. It's a rebound. But the thing is that, is it a good place to buy rebound? Because I have said, in the long term at least, you know, you got to take these opportunities when the confirmation happens to build into your position. You can always size down if things really get bad. And but in the long term, I'm taking the opportunities to buy. Now, I already told you this level around $300, as if we can break out above it, then a good rebound can build up. And today, And as you can see, we first rejected at that level. That's why these levels, all significant levels marked by my tools, that's why they are so important. But then we had a breakout. Now we it's important that we continue to stay in this structure. So technically, if you are doing a multi-day trading or even intraday trading, and multi-day for a couple of days is what I mean to say. Technically, Tesla is in the rebound, so you are already in the bullish play right now. There is no point in shorting it on the multi-day side. Overall structure though is still negative, but that is different from how you do the long-term trading, because long-term trading is if you are investing into Tesla. Well, that's what I mean to say long-term trading. On the swing overall, we are rebounding. All right, and multi-day is starting an uptrend from right above $300, but which is a rebound on the overall structure. So if you were in any sort of short position and you made a lot of money down coming here as well, this is where you should size down your short position, because we are rebounding. So multi-day uptrend is building up, but it's important we stay above $300 area. If we stay above this zone of $300, Tesla multi-day will remain in an uptrend. How high can it go from here? Now, as I said, overall structure is negative, so we'll just have to take it as a rebound on the trading side, and it has a room to continue to 313. That's the next significant level above. But look, since we are rebounding, there is no guarantee how high it will go, because we are technically going still against the overall structure, which is still technically negative, and it's just a rebound in that structure. So, and that's why if we lose any time, this 299 and 30 cents technically, which is very close to $300. I'm just using a overall number to make it understand simply. And if you have access to my tools, these levels will automatically show up for you. So yeah, so this zone, we hold above it, we are technically still in the rebound and in a at least a multi-day, a little bit of a structural rebounding uptrend, okay? But right now, as if we continue, I can only say that 313 is a possibility. I'm saying a possibility. Nothing is ever guaranteed in stock market. You always have to manage the position, but it's important to trade the direction and the structure based on, multi-day, intraday swing, whatever you are doing. But you need to have a plan of action based on that type of horizon that you are trading, what type of trade to take, right? But that's the near-term outlook right now. Yes, we are rebounding. It's a good rebound. Now, is it a bottom already? No, not yet. We'll have to see a few more days of price action stabilization. And then if we see that continuation happening, then these multi-day positions based on your risk tolerance can be made bigger as if those confirmation happens. So it's all about sizing in and out the position through a particular position. So anyways, so far so fine, but it all comes down to this zone. If we lose any time, this 299 and 30-50 cents area close to 300, things may start to get a little bit again in the overall direction favor, which is still negative because it's just a rebound happening, but that's going on. Anyways, guys, even for your investment portfolio, if you believe in Tesla long term, um, just use these places where some strength builds up to little bit dip into the position more, DCA into it. Definitely according to your risk management, you don't have to go all in, but and also size down or a little bit size down the position if the structure doesn't hold, and that's why I'm providing all these levels. But that's the whole point. You gotta take the opportunity where it presents itself based on what type of trade you are taking, right? So I just provided you all the scenarios. If you're a short, long, swing, multi-day, or well, you can do short also on multi-day and intraday, long. On every horizon, you can do both sides of trades as long as you know what horizon you are trading and what um, and yeah, what is your outlook and long or short, but what horizon you are trading is will define what type of trade you can take. Anyways, so just provided you everything for the levels to watch and what are the possibilities right now. I won't say that, hey, this is the bottom right now. No, it's gonna take, at least I want to see a couple of more days. Let's see if this rebound eventually turns into a proper long-term uptrend. And for that, as if that, and that's why it's like slowly and slowly building the positions, whichever direction you want to trade. And accordingly, slowly and slowly sizing down the position as well if it's not, if the things tide has started to change or turn as well. And that's why I explained you the price action here, right? Okay, that's all I had. Let's see how Tesla closes. There is still a good time for the market to close, around just close to 3 hours while when I'm doing this video. So we'll see. Anyways, if you're interested in a lot many stocks everyday coverage that I do with the members, check out the details in the description of this video. For the memberships, also for my tools, if you need access to them, details are in the description of this video. You will get onboarding videos as well on how to use the tools, so you will know what to do. All right. Anyways, guys, there are Patreon links in the description of this video. Details are there, and I'll see you in my next videos. Take care. Bye.